Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin right now, we very weird night last night. We were at 95k. We dropped all the way down to 91,300. Then we got a bounce to 95k. And then a massive drop 2 hours later back to 91k. And in the last 2 hours, we went down to 92k. Bounced to 92,800, back to 92, and we're getting a little bit of a bounce now. Very interesting. Volume dropping off. It is New Year's, so New Year's Day, so we're most likely going to have low volume, and they will try to attack the price. When there's lots of selling and no big buyers, no ETFs buyers, the price is dropping. People discussing a warning: James will never DM you, and he won't ask you to DM him or send him money. These are 100% always scams. If anyone said this is 100% true, everyone, I'll never DM you, try to get you to send me money. It's a scammer pretending to be me. 3.3 trillion market cap, 962,000 viewers. Bitcoin price.live. You can set this up as well. You can see the volume is very low now. We keep getting bounces off this 91,300 area. Now we're getting a little bit of a bounce as well. James Crypto Guru, you get 60k bonus, and you can become a student to take the courses. And this is the trading on Bybit. Bull markets are born on pessimism, grow on skepticism, mature on optimism, and die on euphoria. John Templeton. We had definitely euphoria the last months. The key to making money is in stocks is to not get scared out of them. 64 greed on fear and greed, 52 dominance, funding fee slightly positive, 91,900. We're getting a bounce back actually, 92,400 right now. We'll jump into the technicals for Bitcoin. My trades, I added 0.5 Bitcoin to the trade yesterday. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. My account sitting at 985, so taking a big hit yesterday. 122 in the last 3 months, up from 643, but gave back huge amount of my gains from the top. I've got a Bitcoin trade open. It's 3 Bitcoin. I bought a little bit yesterday. I bought at 92,500, then we dropped to 91,400, got a big bounce back to 95. My trade was again in profits. And then again back, dropped down to 92. Very quick pump and then dump. And now it's trying to hold 92. Funding fee is negative. It's for 3 Bitcoin. And I've got Ethereum, 30 Ethereum trade as well. Ethereum keeps bouncing off. The low was 3,300 the last few hours. The last days, the lowest point on Ethereum was 3,000. We'll jump into the technicals. My trades are currently down. I've got positions on World and Uni. They're about a little bit lower than when I bought them. I might take a little bit of a drop. I also sold my Tesla position yesterday before the market opened. It dropped 3.3%. It's just I feel that the move was mainly done, and there's quite an interesting prophecy from that guy, if you've been watching it, about, oh shit, Bitcoin has lost this support line, everyone. You seeing this? Very dangerous. On the weekly charts, we're definitely, that second to third wave is now finished. We're in corrective wave. Crypto Guru bot still a blue buy, which it fired back in February 2023. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a sell 2 weeks ago. Stochastic, RSI is heading down now, everyone. RSI is heading down very quickly. Squeeze mob is also heading down, and stochastic is heading down. So not so beautiful for Bitcoin, to be honest, on the weekly charts. Looking dangerous. We broke that trend line. On the daily, you can see that trend line more clearly. You can see we broke this white trend line. I've got a trade at 90,000 from yesterday, and I would keep the same trade for a strong, I think we'd get a bounce off there. 90,500, stop loss 89,400, risking $1,000, and then the target back towards that spot. 19 risk to reward ratio, risking 1,000 to make 20,000. 86 will be a very big support, but this rising broadening wedge, this symmetrical, the reason I entered a little bit was because of this descending triangle that was building. It had a chance to break to the upside, but it's broken down. So that is invalidated. And we're breaking this rising broadening wedge, which is very not beautiful, everyone. This is a rising broadening wedge, like this pattern, rising broadening wedge, builds pressure, and breaks down. And it looks like it's breaking down right now. We're underneath that trend line that we've been on for all of December. On the 4 hourly, you can see we got a drop, then a bounce, but it looks like it's dropping lower than the last few weeks, and a clear head and shoulders, to be honest. Shoulder, head, shoulder. So Bitcoin, it looks like it's about to drop. Target could be even 77K. We'd get a bounce on, there'd be some support on 90K, another big support on 86K. Those are the two big support lines. I would still take my trade off 90K. Again, I opened too early but it was a small trade. I'm going to add more if we pull back, but I have to be cautious. That's the trade, opening at 90,600, stop loss 89,400, take profit. All-time high possible, again, 14 risk to reward ratio, 1,100 to make 17,000. 10x leverage would be 170,000. And again, Bitcoin dropping. My trade from 2 days ago or 3 days ago down 5K, 3 Bitcoin. You can see where I sold my bigger position. Lucky I sold those bigger positions, to be honest. They would be very in negative right now if I didn't sell those big. Even though I lost money on those trades, it would have been much better off. Then we dropped from 94 down to 93. I bought a little bit. Then we dropped to 92. I bought more. And now we're sitting at 92,500. I've got 3 Bitcoin, so still small. Lucky I didn't have that 12 Bitcoin and hold it down to here. We would have got pretty hammered. But it doesn't look good. 91,500 is a big support. I've got orders at Bitcoin at 70K, 87K, 90K. World at $1.90. Ton at $4.80. Ton didn't drop much, which is interesting. The altcoins, $5.40. The low was $4.80 on Ton. Look where I sold Ton before the big drops. World, I've got buyers at $1.94. Now we're sitting at $2, so very close actually. Where I bought 20K worth of it, $2.20, and now it's dropping. $1.94, it'll buy $30,000 worth of Ton. I think that of World, I think that's too much. I'm going to reduce it. I'll get $20,000 worth of World. I think no, in this bear market, like these drops, we don't know how low it can go. I'll get 5,000 World at, so $10,000 of World at $1.94. Then at $1.60, I will get $1.60, $50,000 of World. Ton $4.80, Ethereum 3,200, which we're quite close to. 3,200. I've got 20 Bitcoin long. I'm gonna add just 10 Ethereums. I'm just gonna add. I'm gonna lower these entries and just add more manually, because it could just be big drops. We don't know how bad it could get. Uni, I've got at $11.20. It's holding on to 13. I've got $11.20 and $10. Those are my trades that I've got now set. And again, my account taking quite a big hit this month, down from my high of 1,288, which I had almost all in cash, taking a big drop. And this week also with these trades. But I am setting up my position. We don't know how low Bitcoin could go, but I want to try and get it down here, to be honest. Bitcoin right now at 92. Just trying to hold on to this 92 area. A drop from where the all-time high to 92 is about a 15% drop. 15.7% drop from the high. Very common in Bitcoin to have bull markets that go down 20%, but this fourth wave might not be the low here. It could come down to 86 possibly. Then get a bounce to 127. So I would take a small long from 90K and the bigger long from 86K on Bitcoin. Let's go quickly into Ethereum. And this is again to the all-time high. Those are the two trades. Risk reward 11 times, 14 times. And if we go into Ethereum, 3,342, breaking out of this rising triangle, builds pressure, and it's breaking down. Target of this breakdown is 2,800. I think we could get a strong bounce of 3,000, and then 2,800 would be the main area of strong support, I would say. 2,800 and 3,000. So those are the two places I have trades, but it does look like if this pattern breaks down, if it follows the full pattern breakdown, then target is 2,800, and that's where I've got my trades on Ethereum already set. So I'm in small positions right now, and they'll build up the position. If it pulls back more, the orders will automatically activate. And I'm just going to be cautious here because if you believe the prophet, get some XRP 91.5 touch. Let's pray for the updates, James. Check out that post I made on X about this guy who prophesied Donald Trump getting shot in the ear. 203 of you on Telegram. You can join them in there, discuss together, people talking. They haven't fixed the channel. I will pick a winner, just not right now. I have to go into the post and choose a winner. I'll do it maybe in later today video. People discussing, sharing, trading. Go to that post and support it. We still haven't got the polished channel back. I already picked a winner for 200. I'm going to pick another winner for another 200 that supports that polished channel post. I'm getting it back, and you can just join them in the Telegram. The links are all down below. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, go down below, sign up to Bybit, 60k bonus, Weex, $200 sign up bonus, Bitunix, good for international traders worldwide, and jamescryptoguru.com for the courses and for the Telegram. And right now, the market is not looking so beautiful. 97,800 followers. Bitcoin trade active, closed Tesla stock, the Trump prophecy coming true. You go check out that prophecy. The volume dropped this week. RSI is turning down, stochastic down, bearish signs all over the charts. Be extremely cautious with Bitcoin. Ethereum also starting to break down. I warned about that breakdown yesterday. Someone sold 2,000 Bitcoin that caused that dump. So a little bit, it's trying to hold on to the 92k area, but right now it's not looking so beautiful. Let's see if it manages to hold it. But this is New Year's, so everyone's on holiday, everyone's selling, everyone's buying stuff, traveling. So the fact that it's holding 92 is quite good, to be honest. I'm going to try, if they try and drop it more today, I will add more to the position. But again, I want to only build small positions right now. I was going heavy long at 16k. I was buying Tesla at $141. I made massive gains this year, and now I'm just going to try and lock in these gains and do 4-hourly trades. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Be cautious. We don't know how low Bitcoin can go. I don't believe the bull run is finished. I don't believe Bitcoin is going to drop down to 50k, but you've seen Bitcoin, it's always possible. 80k, very possible. So I'm just going to slowly build this position. And I'm glad actually I got out of those big positions, because yes, it did bounce back a little bit, but now it's much lower. It would have been very big losses, those trades. So lucky I got out of those positions, and I have the cash ready to buy on extreme fear. I'm going to buy when there's big red dips and those orders already set. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you, and a happy new year. I wish you a great year. I hope that you had a great year, and make plans for the new year, what your goals are for the year. I wish you all the best year, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.